What's going on YouTube and cryptocurrency family? My name is Harry and I am the Crypto Vet, and thank you guys for tuning in. Today we will be giving away a lot of XRP, and it's gonna be a little more than 50. I don't like to just say exactly how much I'm gonna give because it completely depends on how much money I make trading. And if we go ahead and head over to here, we can see. Okay, we can't see shit because this isn't up here. So let's move this to somewhere you can see. There we go. And I scroll down. Where's it at? We can see that my last couple of shorts I have been very successful. Plus 85 XRP, plus 900 XRP, plus 167, plus 150. I fucked up on that one, but hey, every trade is not perfect. And then we got plus 321. So I'm going to up it a little bit. So please stick around to the end of the video so you guys can see if you won. All you had to do was comment on my last video, and I think there's only like 31 comments, so I'm picking 4 winners. So hot damn, you guys might win some XRP. So let's go ahead and get started over here on CoinMarketCap. This is gonna be a quick video. I tried to keep the Discord updated, but I was having a little trouble while at work and being an hour and a half away from my desk. Since I do private contract work as a veterinarian, I sometimes have to travel a lot just to work a couple hours, but it's worth it in the long run. But it does make it difficult to be here, and then I can't do active charting on my phone to where I can show you trend lines, show you my prediction boxes, price range, short, long, all that crap. But so far right now we're seeing a lot of red here in the market, and I did say that this was most likely going to happen. We can't stay... Where's that? There we go. We can't just stay going up and up and up and up. Like, there's going to be corrections. So if you can figure out and predict these corrections, you can short the market, make money on the downtrend, get a bigger accumulation, and then, by the time it's ready to go up again, sorry, excuse me. By the time it gets ready to go up again, you can start doing long trades or start buying more with dollar cost averaging. However you want to do it. So let's go ahead and head over here to my Bitcoin chart. So this is the Bitcoin chart I have here on the 4-hour, and I was in my Discord, and after we had this little pump up here and we didn't go any higher than this 12.5-ish area, I was a little worried because I didn't think it was the real pump yet, only because we hadn't really broken out of any patterns. We were in this ascending channel, but the thing that we had broke out of was this ascending triangle, but we were still in this ascending channel. So when we didn't get much higher and we were kind of getting topped out at the 12.5, I highly expected that we were going to go down. So I told everybody in the Discord, I'm a little worried. If you're waiting to buy and do stuff like that, just hold back for a little bit. And so for everyone who did listen to me, I'm not always right. I'm not trying to say everything I say is fucking right. That's wrong. I make bad trades all the time, but my risk-reward ratio is much better. As you can see, I made 900 on one trade, but I only lost less than 100 XRP on the trade that I was wrong. All right, so being able to set up these trades is the key, guys. And most people who get into crypto, they buy during the pump, they get scared when it goes down, so they sell that shit, and then it starts to go up again, and they go, what the fuck did I do? And they buy some more. All right, you just really bought at the highest, sold at the lowest, and bought again at the highest. You literally fucked yourself out of so much money, right? So learning charting can be beneficial, but also just learning how the market in general works is probably the best idea. You don't have to look at these charts. Most people don't like to look at this shit. I do, because to me this is a video game, and I love playing video games. And I'm trading against other people's psychology. And the more I've done this, I've gotten better and a little bit smarter than most people because I've been actively trading against them. So it's real easy for me now to make money in these markets, but it hasn't always been that way. So don't think that I just did this shit overnight. It's taken me a while, guys. So please do your own research and learn how to do this on your own if you want to invest this way. Otherwise, buying and accumulating during these little dips, holding, not selling, and just waiting for the long run is probably going to be your best bet. So overall, I'm not even going to zoom out to the other charts. I'll post all that stuff in the Discord. But you can see here, we're still in this pattern. We found good support right here. We didn't even come all the way down to the target. We don't necessarily have to, but it would be more comfortable for me to have the confirmation on the pattern, but we could easily keep going up from here, or we'll see this little bad boy right here actually wick down to our lines here. Let me extend it before we actually start another uptrend. But look what happened. We came down, we touched this line, came up to about the 50%, came up, used the 50 as support, never made it all the way to the top, traded sideways, came up, got resistance on our 12-1 there, never made it to the top of the ascending channel, came back down, found support on this swing. So all these supports and resistances plus the trend that we're building at the same time, they all have to be put together. And for anybody who's wanting to learn this, it's not easy for me to just trade. I don't just look at one chart and go, bingo, that's the shit right there, all in. No, I look at 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 45-minute, all the way up to the monthly, and I build up a narrative like I'm making a movie in my head. What's the most likely thing to happen? So if I see Head and Shoulders on a weekly candlestick, but on the 15-minute it's bullish, 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 well, the Head and Shoulders pattern is going to win. It's more likely to break at the neckline downwards, and who gives a fuck what I see on all the other charts? In the short term, the macro trend's going to take over. So be sure to do your own research before you invest your own money. The good thing about us having this drop down here is, holy shit, I have a lot of messages on my phone. It keeps buzzing. We have reset the MACD to a lower area, and I'll have to go to the daily to show you that exactly, but also our RSI. So if we head over to here, we'll zoom this out. We can see that at the MACD, we were in the high, almost 600 range there. You know, now we're back down into the 300s to 400s. So this is really good for building up momentum to get to higher highs. You know, if all of this stuff is really, really overbought and we're really high in the MACD, there's a chance we're going to have a huge correction to the downside. So the original pattern, you can see this ascending, this dotted line here, plus this top, that's the ascending triangle we're in. Nothing's changed. All we did was come down a little, right? So we could easily come down here, follow this line, ride this bitch all the way up, and then go to the moon from there, okay? So just remember to take all this stuff into account. There is no one chart to rule them all. If anybody says that, they're a fucking idiot, all right? And I'm just a doctor/idiot, but they're a fucking idiot. So you gotta put all this shit together. Going to Ethereum, I also said that we were probably going to head down to this same ascending channel here. We're probably right at the 50% line of the channel when I was telling some of my Ethereum people in the Discord that, you know, I would probably wait a little bit. They were probably going to get down to about 400. We did exactly that. We got to about 394, found good support, and now here we are in the uptrend. We still have the moving averages to overcome, so we could definitely bounce right here before trying to make our way up. And that sideways trading right here just brings that moving average down. Boom, we get on top of the moving average. Probably a good sign that we're going to go up. I'll probably use that as a confirmation to maybe do some long trades. I've been looking into doing some Ethereum trading on that. So that's that for Ethereum. Everything to me is still very, very bullish. Till we break this trend here, we're bullish. Okay, so don't let that hold you back. All right. Now, moving over to XRP. So this looks like a lot, but this was only because I was doing the scalp trading to win more money for the giveaways. So I'm going to leave the fib up here for now just to show you that I started this at the top and we were not past this trend line before we hit the bottom. We are finding each one of these trend lines is like perfect support and resistance. So right now, I'm waiting for a break of this and holding above the 0.236, and I'll probably put in a good long position and most likely will be pretty profitable. So, you know, if you guys have questions on the fib retracement, please, you know, message me and let me know, and I will definitely go into that. But let's go ahead and back out to the daily chart here, and we're going to get rid of some of this shit. Okay. So we have this first descending channel, which was like a bull flag. We broke out of it, formed a symmetrical triangle, had a rally up, but we did have this engulfing candle, bearish engulfing candle here that did find support, and you can see that that line, we now broke below it. Well, do you think we're bearish now? Possibly, but not quite there yet, because we are still above. If we extend this down, we are still above this descending channel, which look, we found perfectly for support there, right? And we are getting really, really good support right now, right around the 29-cent mark. So I'd like to see a good stop right here at 29, or potentially a wick down. But if we come down here, I still want us to have a positive candle here in the next day. I don't think that XRP is bearish yet. Like I said, we need to break down, but everything has to have a little bit of a correction. But look, we have a high, came down, we have another high. This is a double top, so yeah, there is the potential that this would be a trend reversal from this neckline here to go down. But we'll just have to see. Thank you, Macy, for arguing at me right now. Shh, shut your ass. I'm recording. Okay? And so for now, again, with the daily candlesticks, we have the fib retracement here. I'd like to see this 0.382, which is 28.69 cents, and then have a nice bounce up from here, because we could have a double top, and then we could actually have this double bottom, and we could continue off there. So we'll just have to wait and see. For the people who were asking about the Bitcoin trade, since I don't show those as much, my Bitcoin trade actually is still open. I said that I would enter in at 11,995 if we broke below 12, and then I would want to get out at around 11,534. Well, fuck me, it only went down to 11,564. I was $30 off. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the trade open. I may just do it closed just to make my, $25, because I only bet 50 to begin with, but that's plus 50%. That's not bad, and I'm not even down to my goal. So, reading the charts and stuff does work, but it just takes a lot of time to get good at it. So that's going to be it for this here. We're going to, holy fucking shit, 41 messages, guys. Calm the fuck down. I'm going to go ahead and pick a YouTube comment from the videos here. So it looks like there was 21 unique comments. And just to show you what video this is, we'll here. So this is the video that you all entered in, and let's pick one. So congratulations to Costas. Please send me a message and let me know. Also, if you go into the Discord, that would probably be the fastest way. And for anybody who doesn't have an XRP wallet, I will offer a bonus if you use my crypto.com referral code. I never pimp out my codes that often. However, it makes it super easy for me to send it, and I don't have to worry about any risk. And if you do stake the CRO token, I get a bonus, you get a bonus, and I'll actually give you some of my bonus as an extra for doing the referral and having the giveaway at the same time. So if you have questions about that, just message me and I'll tell you all about it. So congratulations to Costas. And let's pick another winner. Let's see. Okay, how do I pick another winner? It looks like you won twice. Why isn't it not picking multiple winners? Okay, we have John Bourbon and we have Costas. Those two winners. XRP to the moon. Nice comment. Thank you. And you won twice back to back. First, Costas. 3 times. How many comments did you do, buddy? All right. Okay. I said you'll get some. Just let other people win. All right. We have UD Alvin. So that's 3 unique winners. And last but not least, I'm starting to think that this YouTube thing kind of sucks. I might have to start using something different. The odds of y'all getting picked the same time over and over are not very likely. And then Madhav. And then, of course, because I did really well in my trading, I am going to pick one more winner. So let's go. Okay, and Richard Decker. So congratulations to all of you guys. Please get in touch with me. The Discord is the best way, but if not, you can send me a message through YouTube, and all I'll need is your XRP wallet address, and then I will do the rest. So thank you guys so much for all the support. I really appreciate it. To all the people who were thanking me and saying I'm the most accurate out there, I do appreciate it. I definitely am not the most accurate, but I like to think that I'm more accurate than most, and only because I try to keep emotion out of this and keep a level head. I know you guys want me to tell you every day that this shit's going to go up, but it's not always going to go up. So if I see something that's going to go down, and if I'm going to pull my money out, I'm going to let you guys know. So please like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. If you want me to keep doing these giveaways, just help the channel grow. For everyone who's been trying to give me donations, I don't need it, man. Invest in yourself. I said I didn't do this for the money. I'm doing all right on the money part. I just really like doing the channel. It's fun. It's entertaining to me. Love it when I'm right. There's nothing better than saying this shit's going to happen, and then it does, right? So that confirmation, and then the fact that I can help you guys learn how to do this stuff, that's all I need. So, but promote the channel, and I'll keep doing this. If nobody wants it, then I'll slowly peter away and just help the few that do. But until the next video, you guys take it easy.